Welcome, besties. So, this week I'm bringing a very interesting video for you. This AI stock will explode this week. Yes, I'm saying it. Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and on this channel, I show you how to make money leveraging the stock market and everything finance and money. So, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We have a lot to talk about. So I was just really thinking what to do this week, and I figured out that this is a video you should watch before stock market opens, because for us in Nigeria, the stock market opens by 3:30 p.m. All right, so this is a video you need to watch, or the video you need to watch for this week, because there are so many things that is going to happen, and I want to be the first to bring it to your notice. I want you to make some money in the stock market, and I want you to keep an eye on certain information. So let's look at the top information that is trending at the moment. The stock market is dropping currently as I'm doing this video. We have some important AI news information. That is why you should be looking out for information. And the Bitcoin is also dropping. On top of it, we still have federal rate decision. So as we are stepping into this market, we have a lot of big development because the Federal Reserve will be talking about interest rates, and they are going to be announcing a policy decision on Wednesday. So even though President Donald Trump is calling for immediate rate cuts, we are just anticipating and waiting to see what they are going to do. So there are just so many things that will be happening. And on top of that, we have earnings reports for this week. This week is loaded. Look at this. SoFi is reporting earnings today before market opens. I'm not expecting so much, but this is a stock that you need to keep in your radar. Now, this is where I want you to keep an eye on. Tuesday, we have Boeing reporting before market opens. On Wednesday, which is the big boys day, Tesla is reporting earnings, Facebook, Meta is reporting earnings, Microsoft is reporting earnings, IBM is reporting earnings. Oh my God, this is going to shake the market because nobody knows how the market is going to react. Now, earnings reports happen when a company comes up to say, this is what we have done between October, November, and December. The last 3 months, this is what we plan to do, and this is how we're able to achieve that. This is Thursday. Can you see Apple, Intel, Visa, Omo, this one, e choke. Friday, ExxonMobil. So these are even Chevron and Avi. So this week is going to be gang, and that is why I'm doing this video. So I want us to get into some very important information, and then I will come back to tell you this particular AI stock that you need to know. Okay, so follow me. Last week, we had some interesting earnings in the community. See why I keep telling you to join the community. This particular stock we picked ran from 27 when we bought it, and the stock got to 36. So even those that bought late, this person bought has at 29.6, and still she was able to make $10. Free money you make doing absolutely nothing. So let me quickly show us what is going on. I need you to see this. This is Bitcoin dropping. Look at, it's been holding up, touching 106 second time. And this is what just happened overnight. This is between Sunday and Monday. Look at this crazy drop from 105 down to 96. Wow. Oh, about $97,000. So this move, of course, is going to affect the Bitcoin stocks. You know how we do it, we have Bitcoin stock. Now let's look at other things that are making the news. Nvidia stocks dropped crazily. Like, I need you to look. I'm going to show you that particular chart. You know I'm always going to show you so you see what's going to happen. Look at this. Nvidia drops 12% in pre-market trading. Do you know the reason? Let me tell you, because I'm just getting it fresh from the news. So you can see that the US tech firms plunged in pre-market. So not just Nvidia, Palantir also dropped, TSM also dropped, AVGO, all the semiconductor stocks dropped. And that's because this particular Chinese company are coming up with a product, and this product is actually being cheaper than what Nvidia and all these other companies. So it's sparking up concern over competitiveness over the AI and the Americans lead sector. So this is really causing the market to drop. So let's look at Nvidia. Look at this chart. Take a look at this. Nvidia dropped from 142 to 122. For a lot of people, they're already panicking and thinking, oh my God. But for me, this is a beautiful opportunity. Let's look at the daily time frame. You would see that I have always wanted this stock to drop. So you can see we've been hovering around 129 as a support, and now market is currently around 122, 125. That means it has broken this particular support it's been keeping here for. That means this stock can actually come down to 120 when market opens. Maybe. So we'll be looking out for that, and I will tell you what we'll be doing. So let's get back to the presentation so that I'm going to continue where I stopped. Okay, so now I don't know if this is your first time, but you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel and you need to learn a lot because I share with you stocks to look out for every week so that you know what you can buy. But most importantly, when you join the community, I give the exact prices you can get it, and then you learn more about these things. You need to get the right information. So subscribe to this video, like this video, and please watch to the end. So these are the stocks we are watching this week: Palantir, SoFi, and Nvidia. So these three stocks are what we're doing. So we have a simple plan. You start small, you learn by joining the community, you fund your account or you top up, and then you start earning some cash. It is a simple plan we use in the community. Now we have our VIP community, which is 50,000 naira. We also have a basic class, which is 10,000 naira. But in this community, we are going on a challenge of 50 to 100% profit. So these are the things we teach you in the community. If this is the kind of thing you would love to, the payment link is in the description of this video. So kindly join us, and I would love, 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 love to see you. Let's get back to the videos, the chart. So this is Nvidia, and I told us that Nvidia has crazily dropped. Look at this drop from 149. We took some profit of this stock at 149, and look at this beautiful move, 122. This stock is going to explode. There will be a major comeback of this stock. Trust me when I say it. It may take few days because of a lot of decisions. On Wednesday is going to be a determinant. So I'm going to be picking a little bit of this stock the moment market opens. And the beautiful thing about buying little is that you can actually buy with $10. You can actually buy with $20. You don't need to have the entire $123 to buy. The more it drops, the more you can pick up. And it is so amazing. Optimus by AfriInvest is the app I love to use, especially for beginners. This is something you can do from the comfort of your home while you're working, as a stay-at-home mom, as a student, whichever way. You are eligible to sit down in your house and make your money work for you. That money in the bank is doing absolutely nothing. It's actually losing value due to inflation. So this is where you should start playing the game. So this is the first one. The second one, of course, that I talked about is Palantir, and the third one is SoFi. So let's see which one I'm going to talk about. So let's look at SoFi. So SoFi just reported earnings, and wow, it just came to the price I predicted to the community members. I wanted this stock to come to 14. 14.8 was my target. And look at this, they just reported earnings. But you see, they probably have reported good earnings, but because the market is generally selling off, Bitcoin is down, Nvidia, which is the biggest tech semiconductor stock, is down. It has dragged down every other stock in the market at this point in time. And so this stock has made this crazy move down to 15.27, meaning that when market opens, this stock can come a little bit into the 15s or maybe 14.8. And I am going to be buying it back because this stock is heading to $20. You can see where I put this mark. This is my range of buy. So whenever I put this, I'm waiting for this stock to drop back. So you can see that almost every plan, I keep it ahead of time. Whenever it comes to my range, I buy. I do not chase stocks, and we don't gamble. I teach you the basics and show you how you can get these stocks. So this is the second stock. Now the last one I'm going to talk about is Palantir. Palantir is my sweet favorite stock right now. So Palantir is also dropping. Why? Because what is affecting others is also affecting it. So it touched 82 and look at this drop to 69. And I'm looking at this stock to come to about $68 for me to buy more. This is a stock that has made people a lot of money. This stock used to be around $40 and around to $84. So this stock is heading to $100. Trust me. So this pullback is a beautiful opportunity for someone like you to grab this opportunity. This is what I teach in the class. Then the particular stock that made us money. Now the market is dropping, we have stocks like this. Let me show you quickly before I end this because I don't want this to be long. So this is a particular stock that we grabbed. Okay, this particular stock has made us good money. Look at this stock, we bought it at 16.50 and this stock is at touch 21.66. So when market opens, we are going to be taking profit on this stock. So you have to learn how to make money in the stock market, whether the stock market is going up or coming down. That is a trick you need to learn. So I would love you to join the community and learn one or two things that can help you in this journey. So if this is the kind of content you like to watch, please go back to other videos and see why you should actually invest in the stock market. We have a lot of videos on that and how to fund your account. Make sure you watch those videos because you can always get access to this via the brokerage app. I use Optimus. We can also use Trove or Bamboo. So these are opportunities and you can always go back to our channel and see how to set these accounts up. And if you really want to get this thing in your fingertips so you can be making money on monthly basis, please join the community and I'll see you in the next video.